Hey guys, it's me, Talia Arisa Gibson. You can call me Tag for short, and welcome to my channel.
Have a good time. Join the fun, grab someone, wave those hands in the air if you dare. We'll have a good time, good time, good time. Join the fun, make some noise, ride that beat in your seat right there. We'll have a good time,
Like,
good
comment,
time.
subscribe. Today I'm going to visit the Liberty Bell. I wanted to come yesterday, but the line was super long, so I got here early today on Sunday morning to see the bell. And as you can see, there are only a few people up there who are already in line. So yes, we had to go through security, so here we are. And yeah, there were some visuals of people who have visited the bell over time. And there it is, the Liberty Bell with the crack in it. You know, it's always cool to see things from history, even though there are periods of time of our history that are horrible to even think about. But it is what it is. We can't change it, but we can learn from it and grow and be better, hopefully. So there was an elementary school or something like that. They did this art project and people can come in and add their little sticky notes. So here's mine. Tag was here, living free from New Mexico and beyond. Yep, I left my mark in Philadelphia. I believe this area was landmarked as the original U.S. Capitol. So I am now walking to go see one of the oldest neighborhoods that still is inhabited with its original structures. Of course, I'm sure it's been painted and all of that, but it's the original buildings that people still reside in now. So let's take a walk. Philadelphia is a very walkable city, meaning you can literally just walk around and you'll find something to see, somewhere to eat, something to do. And so I love that about the city, and I can see why people would want to live here. All right, guys, so I'm on my way to Elfreth's Alley. It's like one of the oldest inhabited streets here in Philadelphia. I think I'll have to pass the Betsy Ross house, which I saw yesterday as well. So. That's funny. Giant Shoe Flower Boutique. Hamilton Family Arts Center. So here I am at Elfreth's Alley, a historical neighborhood and landmark. So it reads, Elfreth's Alley, an exceptional collection of early American structures built 1720s through 1830s. The alley contained the homes and shops of diverse artisans. Later, working-class immigrants lived here and labored in nearby industries. Residents began preservation efforts in 1934. I can just imagine how much it would cost to actually live and own these homes. And I'm sure once you own a residence, you're not going to let it go. And I wonder also, are any of them Airbnbs that you could stay in? The alley is a pretty good length of properties. So beautiful. I love that I have been able to experience the city and be able to walk around and just see such cool history and take it all in. Something I definitely recommend. So this is a pretty cool street. I'd recommend coming to see it if you are in Philadelphia. Check it out. So as I was walking back to my car, I saw this cute little spot where you could walk up and get coffee and some treats called Little Susie's. So let's check it out. All right, guys, so I got a pork and cheese roll from Little Susie's. It was just a little corner. You walk up to the window and you order. They had some other different kind of little pies and like coffees. And so I got this and it's pretty good, a good little snack. Pretty good. It's shaped kind of like the empanada, but I was eating it as I was walking and I couldn't record and do that, so give her a try. The outer layer is nice and flaky. Oh, and I also got a iced vanilla latte. Cheers. So after all my morning explorations, I went to meet up with Priscilla at her house. She cooked a delicious boil for me with blue crabs, sausage, I believe, shrimp, and veggies, butter sauce. It was so good. We didn't get to eat a whole lot, but she did go live for a little while, and we kind of chilled and ate a little bit before we had to leave for the movie. And really, we could have eaten a little bit longer, especially when we found out there was going to be a whole mishap with the time of our movie and all of that, but we did get to see it. So yeah, take a look at the seafood. Delicious. And now we're at the park. We're gonna go check out some different Asian foods.
So we called this and we used to walk here from where we used to live at.
Oh, okay.
And after this, I'll be on my way. But we're going to eat first. We're going to go to the park first.
So it was cool to see all of the vendors out here. There was some food that we were like, nah, we're not trying that. But it was a cool little experience. The food that we ate was just okay. Definitely could have been warmer and all of that, but it's all about memories and experiences. So yeah, before I left, I stopped to take a picture of this Billie Holiday sign. She used to live here in Philadelphia for a short period of time. So here's a little tour of my Airbnb before I get ready to catch my flight. It's been real. It's been a great trip. I've enjoyed myself. So take a look. Bathroom. This shower was bomb. Like, they had all these different settings of how you could have the water come out. So cool. Closet. Shelves. The remote, the TV, the stand, kitchen area. Refrigerator, freezer. I appreciate all of you for tuning into this video. As always, don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and of course, hit that bell notification so you'll know when I post. I'm heading out. To the airport I go. Until next time.